frozen. He had a bath yesterday, so I freshly did it.
That's why.
Yeah, like the little elastic.
Yeah,
so I put a little bit or something.
Okay, I can go this way. Oh, we know I can. I just need an elevator. Fancy. Oh, where the room is actually. Me getting lost in my own school. That's room 49. That. Yahoo! Yahoo! I'll do my cards later. I'll help you first. Is it because it's magnet? Ugh.
Sometimes I'm like, no, I'm fine. It's like, ready to do this.
Finish setting up. Oh my god. Ah! 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 Wow, look at it work. I feel like I shouldn't show this. I'm gonna upload this after.
Yeah. Because at least like on their online portal, it's just.
Later than I was supposed to. I was supposed to come around like 2. So got to have lunch. I'm gonna get lunch first. Chipotle.
Would you like
Yes.
medium or hot?
Let's not do any hot sauce, please. Just a little bit of that. This one's good. Chipotle. Now we're off to the Indian food court because, just in case, because I eat pretty slow. Off we go. Hey, it's me, Angel, and I know this clip is supposed to be in the beginning where I introduce what the video is about, but I completely forgot, and I am just returning home while I just got off my commute from downtown after installing my work and helping my friends. So this is probably my outro instead, but I hope you enjoyed this video. I will try to vlog the remainder of the event during and ending. So there's a little small blooper shot. You can see what kind of work went into it, but I won't include some other stuff because that's kind of confidential to my university or whatnot, so I don't want to get in trouble. So I'm gonna just like vlog what I can and what I remember to, what I'm allowed to, but otherwise I'm very excited to show everything after the event because these videos are going to go after the event. Yeah, so as you can tell, I am breaking out from all the stress. That's fun. But I hope you liked the video, and make sure to like, comment, or subscribe, or all of it. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and be sure to like, comment, or subscribe, or all of the above. And make sure to follow my socials so we can stay up to date and stay connected. See ya! Bye! I can't wave my drink in my hand.